All right, guys, like I stated, I was having some issues with the exhaust, a bunch of little stuff. So I came to a shop about an hour away from my house, and the name of it is, so that's the name of the shop. And he's gonna take care of all the welding and stuff that I need to get done. And it's been raining since like the last 24 hours. So it's like the worst day to bring the car to a shop to get welding done. Everything is wet and disgusting, but it's got to get fixed. But out here in his parking lot, if you will, he's got some nice cars. So I'm just going to do some B-roll real quick and show you what all he has. Few things are happening. Is the dump tube, as you can see, is touching the oil pan right here. I actually hammer it so it'll fit between the space, but it's kind of hard to see, but it's also touching right there in the middle of your screen. It's touching the motor mount. That's the issue. One issue. Next issue is this is how the exhaust lined up based on how close it is to the steering rack up there in the middle of your screen. The pipes won't connect right here. So that's what I'm getting fixed here at the shop today. Then I'm gonna remove the front bumper so he can go ahead and connect my little pipe in the middle to hold the intercooler securely. Yeah. And I think Alright, so I have an O2 sensor I bought, which fits into the down pipe back here, but the wire is only this long. And it needs to come all the way to here. Obviously, that's not gonna make it. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna cut the harness right here, cut these off, and extend it all the way around to meet to here. So that's... So while I was over here doing my stuff, this is what Fang came up with in order to make the exhaust work. So he just put a little a pie cut in between, looking nice. So we're almost done, guys. Almost ready to get a full true sound of what the exhaust with the turbo and everything should sound like. On top of that, I have gone and extend the wiring harness. Now it goes all the way back here, and then it will definitely connect with this one, nice and tucked away over here on the side. All right, guys, so I have this intake put back together. Like I said, I have the harness extended for the O2 sensor, reach around and go all the way back in here. And if you notice, I have a lot of clearance now between the downpipe and the steering rack. So now I have a lot of clearance here, all the way back here. Everything is good. Now he's working on the dump tube, and so what he's doing is he's gonna have the dump tube kick back and run alongside the actual exhaust. So that's the final piece, and then we'll be good to go. So there it is, guys. Dump tube relocated, downpipe adjusted, so everything is all set under here. So now I'll start it up and see what it sounds like with the single turbo compared to the stock twins. Shout out.